Welcome to Automate Business. In this video, we will understand the tags, what they are, and how they are useful. So tags are the simple labels used to categorize your contact. For example, you can create tags like new lead, hot lead, cold lead, warm lead, interested, follow-up, and so on. And why is it useful? Tags help you quickly identify and manage different types of customers in your Automate Chat application. So let's understand the steps. You need to first log into your Automate Chat with your credentials. Then click on the Contact button at the top of the screen, followed by the Tags button. Click on Add Tags on the right side. From here, you need to give the tag name over here. Say, for example, if I want to create the tags for follow-up customers. After that, you can simply change the text color if you want. You can change the background color. After that, you will be able to see the preview over here. Then click on Add Tags. Once you click on Add Tags, you will be able to see the follow-up tags over here. Now, when you manage your client's contacts, you will be able to add the tags of your contacts as well. So let's say if I want to add the tags of this client. From the contact form, you will be able to add the tags over here. So you can simply select the tags for this customer in the contact form, and then you will be able to see the tags of this customer on the contact page. So this is how you will be able to create the tags in the Automate Chat app. I hope this video will be helpful for you.